Welcome to Gavin's Home Kitchen. Today's a quick video on how to make the most beautiful caramelized onions. Let's get cooking. Start with 2 onions that have been sliced. We want lots of onions for this caramelized onion recipe. For this I'm using a saute pan. You want to use a large pan for these onions to give them plenty of room to cook. Add in some olive oil, good lug, like so. Then we're going to go in with our onions. I'm just going to move those around the pan, just break up any chunks we might have, like so. Spread them out. Now to bring out the moisture in the onion, we want to add a good pinch of salt. This draws out the moisture from the onions so that we get some liquid in there, which is going to help caramelize the onions. Making these caramelized onions is a low and slow process, so probably all up you're looking at maybe about 15 minutes total to make these. Just keep stirring them occasionally as well. So let those cook a little bit. And once I've given these a moment or two to cook, I usually just make a little well in the middle and just drop in a little knob of butter as well. I just think it gives it some nice flavour. Just make sure you're giving them a stir every couple of minutes as well, just to make sure they don't stick. Yeah, that butter's all mixed in nice now with the onions. And these onions are great for things like your burgers, which is exactly what I'm going to be using these onions for. And don't worry if you get a little bit of browning in your pan. I've got something I'm going to add in once these onions have browned a little bit. That'll help with that. Now after I've let these start to brown for about 3 or 4 minutes, I just add in some chilli as well. So this one's just a chilli powder. Again, just gives it extra flavour. If you feel they need any more liquid, you can add in a few drops of water at a time just to give it a bit more moisture in the pan. Don't add too much when you do that, otherwise you'll end up with a very watery caramelized onion. Just little drops at a time as needed. Add a little bit more salt if needed. Now once your onions have had probably 10-15 minutes, get a nice little bit of colour on them. Last thing I add is 1/4 cup of red wine. This will help you get all those brown bits off the side of the pan, which you can mix in with your onions, because that is just extra flavour right there. What we need to do is cook out this wine completely, which will probably take another 2 to 3 minutes. And that red wine also gives your onions a beautiful colour, a nice caramelised colour. Just keep moving them around in our pan. So our onions have had about 2 to 3 minutes to cook down and evaporate the wine completely, and these are ready. Once you've done that, you're left with these beautiful caramelised onions. Check those out. Absolutely delicious. If you haven't done so already, give us a like and subscribe. We're a new channel, we're trying to grow, and we'll have more of these beautiful recipes for you. See you next time. They're really good.